Hello, I am Naveed Mukhtar from ZRVisas. We are OISC registered immigration advice business in UK. With 15 years of experience, we provide immigration advice in English, Urdu, Punjabi, Hindi, and Saraiki. Today, we are going to talk about family visit visa or a general visitor visa in a context of family members who would like to come to UK to see their family in UK. A lot of people around the world make applications to join and visit their families in UK. Majority of the applications are refused for numerous reasons. Today we are going to discuss that why it is so important to make a very good application and not to leave any weaknesses in the application itself, and what could possibly happen if that is the case, and what could be the drawbacks of making a weak application. Family members includes generally brothers, sisters, they could be grandparents, uncle, aunties. These are all the people who can apply for family visit visa. Now it comes under the general visitor visa, but we are talking about the family visit where only family members are applying for UK visit visa. It is very important to make a good application, to provide the maximum details in the application, because every application which is refused due to insufficient information or insufficient documents, or if the documents are not in proper format, they leave the next applications more vulnerable for the refusal. So if you have applied for the family visit visa before, or if you are making the first application, you should do your best to make a good application. We recommend only get advice from people who are professionals, who are regulated and registered immigration advisors, such as in the UK, who are regulated by OISC like us, or who are solicitors, or who are regulated by other professional bodies such as Institute of Legal Executives in UK. Getting help and advice and asking visa agents to help with the visa application could be very damaging. We had heard so many stories from our clients in the past when a visa agent who were not qualified and they completed the form incorrectly, provided incorrect details, sometimes used fake information just to get into the UK. This is against the immigration law. If somebody provide false information, conceal any fact, or they provide false documents, they could be banned for entering in UK for 10 years. Especially in this situation when your family members are applying, you must really understand the importance, that how important it is to provide the correct information. By providing the false information, if your family member is banned to enter in UK for 10 years, you can imagine how much stress they can bring you, especially if the family members are your parents or your brothers and sisters, or any other family member who you really want them to be in the UK. So this is the overall picture. So what documents? Now we're going to talk about the documents we need to make a good family visit visa application. You should provide an evidence to prove your relationship with the UK sponsor. There should be sufficient evidence that you have a strong economical and financial ties and social ties in the country of your region. If you own any property, you should provide property documents. You might have a family tree from the country of origin. Some countries do offer that. So that will show the family members are living in your country. You can provide that. If you are married and if you are leaving your children and your partner behind, you should provide your children's birth certificate, letters from school and college. You should also provide your marriage certificate. If you own any commercial property, including residential, and if you are driving any income, you should provide that one as well. So this is just an overview of that. You will also need your 6 months bank statement. If you are working with an employer, you will need your last 6 months salary slips. So this is an overall of what documents you normally need for a family visit application. Please provide as much details in the application and be accurate and concise. It is better to provide explanation rather than providing false information or documents. Visa officers are humans. They will understand your situation. Let's take it by this example. For example, if your family member, who could be a parent, if they are applying for a family visit visa and they do not have a bank account or a bank statement, try not to make any forged bank statements. That is not going to help the visa application. Actually, it's going to do a lot of damage. It is better to explain in a covering letter that why they do not have a bank statement. They might be financially dependent on someone who could provide their bank statement to support their visit. Or maybe the case that a UK sponsor could provide the funds from their bank account to say that they are going to meet all the cost of the visit. So this was just an example to explain to you that how it is important to not to provide any documents or information which is not correct. We hope you like the video. We have 15 years of experience in this UK immigration law and practice. If you need any help and advice, you can visit our website ZRVisas.com. Thank you. If you need help to do your visa applications, I know a lot of people can do their visa applications on their own. But remember, a refused application can have many adverse effects on your future applications. First and foremost, the family life will be affected. Money will be wasted because there is a lot of money involved in this whole process. And the time, most importantly, the time which you will not spend with your family if your visa application is refused. Adverse immigration history will be created, which is likely to affect the future applications as well. So it is very important that you prepare a good application, provide as much information and documents. When we say as much information and documents, it means the necessary information and documents as required under the immigration rules. Providing a lot of unnecessary documents and irrelevant documents will not only delay your application, but it is quite possible that visa officer find contradictions in your documents and information, and they may refuse your application on those grounds. Therefore, it is very important that you be very careful what documents and information you are submitting as a part of your visa application. We are in this profession since 2006. We started this firm almost 18 years ago, and we are family visa specialists. If you think you need help and advice, we do offer a full application service for a fixed fee without any hidden charges and without any other costs whatsoever. For every single application and case we take, we will allocate you a caseworker who will take your case from start to the end, just with a one contact. Our full application service covers preparing the visa applications, sending you list of documents, uploading all your documents with unlimited advice, And for clients who are vulnerable or who has exceptional circumstances where they cannot take the calls during the day, we can create exceptions for them to provide after hour service without any additional cost to them. And mode of the service, a lot of people ask us a question that how you can provide the service. We do have clients in more than 60 countries. I'm sure you will understand it is not possible for all of them to come and visit us. Therefore, we provide service over the phone, by WhatsApp, email. You can post your documents or share on Google Drive, Microsoft Teams. We use all the modern mediums to make your visa application processing easily and convenient for you. To see the latest updates on the income requirements and to see our work, how we are doing, please visit our website or search ZRVisas. We have hundreds of 5-star reviews and hundreds of visa approvals uploaded on the website so that our clients can make an informed decision whether we are the right people to help with their next visa application. You can follow our page on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We are almost on all the social media platforms. Just searching ZR Visas will help you to find us on all the places where we are. Feel free to get in touch with the team, and we will be happy to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. We wish you best for your application, and we hope you join your families soon and start your family life in the UK. Thank you for watching the video.